Today, boys and girls, we begin our distance lesson. The theme of our lesson is what can animals do? Today, we use can to talk about abilities. Now, you see some animals. You must repeat after me. Frog, frog, bird, bird, chimp, chimp, cat, cat, snake, snake, parrot, parrot, fish, fish, horse, horse, rabbit, rabbit. There are new words. You must read and translate them. Frog, baka, bird, kuş, chimp, chimpanzee, cat, mısık, snake, yılan, parrot, totu, fish, balık, horse, жылқы, rabbit, қоян. Jump, секіру, fly, ұшу, sing, ән айту, hop, секеңдеу, crawl, бауырмен жорғалау, climb, өрмелеу, swim, жүзу, dance, билеу, run, жүгіру. Modal verb can we use to talk about abilities. Болымды түрі және болымсыз түрлері бар. Can жасай аламын деген етістікті білдіреді. Мысалы, for example, I can read. Мен оқи аламын. Болымсыз түрі cannot немесе can't қысқартылған түрі. Жасай алмаймын. I can't read. A bird can fly. Құс ұша алады. A bird can't fly. Құс ұша алмайды. A frog can jump. Бақа секіре алады. A frog can't jump. Бақа секіре алмайды. Now, task 1. Write. All together must write the words. Which animals do you see in these pictures? For example, a can sing, a can swim, a can dance, a can jump. You have 3 minutes to write these sentences. Now, task 2. You must make sentences with the modal verbs can or can't. What can animals do? Or what can't animals do? For example, rabbit can, and you must find these action verbs. Now, children, your homework. First, you learn new words. Second, workbook exercise 2, page 53, writing.